How to use YuppTV properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Yupp is one of the leading streaming platforms for live Indian television channels and on-demand content, but many beginners make mistakes that cost time, money or frustration. I tried it myself, and here's my honest review with tips to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They assume all content is available for free. The surprising truth is that when Yupp offers some free shows, premium channels and live sports require a subscription. Always check what's included in your plan to avoid unexpected charges. Another common mistake is neglecting device compatibility. Yupp works on smart TVs, mobile devices and streaming boxes, but older devices or outdated apps may not function properly. Make sure your device is supported and your app is updated for smooth streaming. Beginners also often skip checking internet speed. Streaming, HD or IC content requires stable connections. If your internet is slow, buffering and lag can ruin the experience. A speed of at least 5 Mbps is recommended for HD and 15 Mbps for IC content. Using the platform's features improperly is another pitfall. YuppTV allows recording shows, scheduling reminders and multi-device streaming. Beginners sometimes forget to set these up, missing favorite programs. Take time to explore the app's features to get the most out of your subscription. In conclusion, using YuppTV properly means understanding subscriptions, ensuring device compatibility, maintaining a strong internet connection, and using all features effectively. Avoiding these beginner mistakes saves time and money while providing a seamless viewing experience. For 2025 users, these tips ensure you enjoy YuppTV to its fullest without frustration.